Hello everybody, this is Lance here at Transwest, Belton, Missouri. Today I'm going to bring you this 2013. It is a Phaeton made by Tiffin Motorhomes. It is in impeccable condition. Exterior paint, very nice. You don't see the typical tree branch scratches over the clear coat. So excellent paint all the way around and really low miles. We're just under 40,000 miles. And what I do like about these Phaetons is the slide out generator. And when I look at the thing, look how clean that thing is. A lot of times we get these things in here and they are just rusted out, but man, that is a really nice machine there. And it's an 8,000 kilowatt Onan generator. It's only got 374 hours on it. So she's just getting started. So they do have the clear bra over the front of it. And again, like I said, paint is just in excellent condition. I do want to point out that it does have a little rock chip right there in the top windshield, but it's right where the solar shade comes down. So with the solar shade all the way up, it's just behind it, so it's out of eye shot. Got your electric bay here where you get access to your fuses. Now we did just put brand new tires on this, so this is going to have DOTs for the front are going to be 2021s, and then the rears are going to be all 2022, and they're all going to be Michelins. So we got nothing but the best on this coach, and they're going to be 275 ADR 22.5s. Really nice, beautiful, solid aluminum Alcoa rims. You've got your six 6-volt batteries down there on a slide tray. Really nice, easy access. Technician's going to love it if you ever need to get maintenance done on those. And then the next bay over, you're going to see we have a really nice slide tray. It is going to be a manual slide tray, right? One less thing to go wrong. And then the next bay over, just a nice big open bay. You get that added depth by not having the tray, and it does have central vac. Now we do have our wet bay here. I like the fact you see a soap dispenser. You got your shower nozzle in there, hot and cold water. The sewer valve, this dump station here, this does rotate. So if you're all wondering, it does take gravity. You don't want it coming up, but got your water filtration system there. So even your toilet water is purified. All right, got your docking light here right next to the rear tire. And inside, you got a 50 amp service, 50-foot cord. Does have the power surge protection, so it's going to help protect all the electrical. And then next bay over, we got our chassis batteries with your power disconnect there. And then our next bay over, just a little added storage, which is always nice. Now if we just step back and just take a look at this paint job, what you're going to notice about this, like I said, all throughout this thing, a lot of times you'll see tree branch scratches. This paint is impeccable, in excellent condition. And I do like to see the aftermarket window awning there that goes over the windows there. Really quite nice. Now this Phaeton is sitting on the Freightliner chassis, if I haven't told you that already. It is going to have a 380 horsepower motor, 1,050 pounds of torque, and just a really nice setup. It's a nice pairing for this particular motorhome. And as we come around the corner here, we got just a little extra storage there. Not a whole lot, but you know what? Every little square inch counts in a motorhome. And then we've got your urea, your depth tank, and I like the fact that you've got your gauge on it. You don't have to guess on whether you're going to need fluid or not. All right, this is going to be for your hot water heater. This tells me we're going to have a residential refrigerator because it doesn't have the ventilation there. And just the other access points here to your exterior storage. And so the next bay there, you got your propane, your hydraulic system for your jacks and your leveling. And then up here we got our exterior TV. It's a Panasonic TV, and I do like the fact that they got a nice sound bar here. This does add to the actual overall quality of your entertainment. All right, guys. Well, that does it here for the outside. Let's go take a quick peek on the inside. And as we come in here, you're going to see that this also has the docking light here. So you got your docking lights up the front, out in the back, and you got a handle that lights up during the night. So pretty nice. We'll see you on the inside. Well, welcome to the inside of this beautiful 2013 Phaeton motorhome. So just some things I want to highlight as we go through this coach is just how homey this feels. I mean, this does not feel like an RV at all. When you look at this living room, there's like a really true separation of space between the actual living space and the kitchen and dining area. These chairs both incorporate really nicely into this living room. You've got a nice little cup holder here. There's a little storage cabinet just below it. So pretty nice. And then when you're looking at all this really nice solid hardwood, all these cabinets are just, you're not going to see any particle board. A lot of times what you'll get is hardwood fronts, but your particle board styles with photo laminate, this is all solid wood. Really nice high-end stuff here. So just across from the living room, you do have your fireplace. Now, furniture overall condition on a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the best, I would put this at about an 8.5 to a 9. As far as the captain's chairs, the couch itself, the only thing that didn't survive, and I don't know if this came with the coach or not, but this one is probably seen better days. But the rest of the coach, as far as the cabinets, the furniture, the exterior paint, excellent condition. Now coming into the kitchen, really nice eating area. I do like the fact that this extends out. We do got a couple of these chairs matching that are down in the basement. I do like this little buffet area here, so as you're eating, you can have all your items up here so it's not encroaching in on your eating space. I love all this overhead cabinetry, right? So just loaded with storage. Anywhere they could put a cabinet, they put a cabinet. There is no shortage of space in this coach. And you do have your nice solid surface countertops. Now when you look at this backsplash, this was all water jetted. So this is really kind of nice. This is Tiffin bought a really expensive machine and they went through and water jetted all this solid surface. Just a neat little feature. Got your 3-burner cooktop here, all propane. Does come with a dishwasher. Quite nice. I know if I was going to get one of these, must have a dishwasher. Got your dual stainless steel sink here. And nice little storage area. A huge gray area here for maybe like a wastebasket. And some of the nice features that Tiffin does is that I like these little built-ins that they do, like with these slide out trays, so you don't have to reach deep into the cabinet. And then just across from here, we got a really nice Maytag refrigerator. So you're gonna have your ice and water dispenser on the door. Let's take a look inside. So this is actually really clean. A lot of times you'll see like these little brackets and stuff might be a little rusty, but boy, this thing turned out really good. Just a very nice, very clean refrigerator. Excellent working condition. I like this wainscoting here. Really nice solid wood panels here. Just a nice attention to detail. All right, so coming on back, this is going to be a mid bathroom. This is a 36GH model. Now you can see here the backsplash kind of flows what we've seen there in the kitchen, so they do a good job of continuity. Great little drawer space. You're definitely, like I said, undermounted sink here. A lot of depth to the counter space. Just little knick-knack storages everywhere. There we go. We got a nice half bath again. Beautiful backsplash. I like the way that toilet's positioned actually. Somebody like me, bigger guy, you got to have room, right? You got a nice solid one-piece shower, no seam at the basin. So really good to prevent any future leaking problems. Now coming into the bedroom, you do have your TV here, but this is kind of nice. I like what they did there. You just lift up on this and you got a little storage cabinet there for like your DVD player and your different electronics. And this is going to be a queen bed. You got a little bit of counter space on both sides of the bed. You got your controls for the ceiling fan there just on the forward part of the coach. And then it does also have the stack washer dryer. It's going to be the Splendid. And then pretty good little size closet here. Very well lit. And then just to the inside there, you're going to see that they have access to the washer and dryer components if you ever need to get back there and do a little maintenance. But all right, guys, well, that does it for the tour of our 2013 Phaeton Tiffin motorhome. If you guys have any questions or you'd like to set up a time to do a video, give me a call at 208-290-5750. I look forward to hearing from you.